Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to use frame mask for consistent branding layouts. Open a new document in Photoshop and create frames for all your visual elements, such as images, logos, or graphics. Drag assets into frames and adjust scale to emphasize your brand's key points. Apply uniform spacing, alignment, and colors to maintain a professional look. Group related frames for easier editing and future updates. Optional tip, save this as a template to quickly produce multiple branded layouts. Using frame mask ensures that every design stays cohesive, allowing you to maintain a strong brand identity